Hello everyone. Welcome to Augmentech. We empower engineers for better career opportunities. Today in this session, we will learn about the first step of MPT, which is pre-cleaning. So, let's start. After the end of this tutorial, you would be able to understand pre-cleaning process in MPT and understand the lighting requirements in MPT. So, first step in magnetic particle inspection is pre-cleaning. Parts or surfaces should be clean and dry before they are subjected to any magnetic particle inspection. All surfaces or welds to be inspected shall be cleaned such that the grease, oil, scale, dirt, or any other foreign matter that is deemed by the level 2 as obstructing the inspection should be removed. The pre-cleaning is done because the contaminants such as oil, grease, or scale may not only prevent particles from being attracted to the leakage field, they may also interfere with the interpretation of the indications. So, a cleaning process is required to remove all contaminants, foreign matter, and debris that might interfere with the application of current or with the movement of the magnetic particle on the test surface. It should be kept in mind that the cleaning process used must not reduce the effectiveness of the inspection process that follows. Cleaning may be done by using various methods, such as by detergents, by using organic solvents, by using descaling solutions, with the help of paint remover, by sand or grit blasting, or by using ultrasonic cleaning methods. All of us know that no single cleaning method can assure removal of all type of contaminants. Most methods are limited to the removal of only a few types of contaminants. Further, some cleaning methods may require equipment that may not be adaptable to the specific job condition, such as cleaning large parts or cleaning in place on an aircraft. Finally, some processes may cause corrosion of the part to be inspected. Therefore, the cleaning process must be chosen with the knowledge of the contaminant, the alloy, and the accessibility of the part to be inspected. Upon completion of the cleaning operation, the areas to be inspected must be completely dry prior to the start of the inspection. You can do this by using hot air blower or by using lint-free cloth. Now, we will discuss about the lighting requirement in MPI. First of all, to improve the uniformity of lighting from one inspection to the next, the use of artificial lighting is always recommended. Magnetic particle inspection can be performed using particles that are highly visible under white light conditions or particles that are highly visible under ultraviolet condition. First, we will discuss the lighting requirement for visible magnetic particles. Minimum white light level requirement. When conducting visible magnetic particle inspection, the minimum ambient white light intensity at the inspection surface shall be 100 foot candles, that is 1076 lux, or as stated by the customer. A light intensity of at least 1000 lux or 100 foot candles is recommended when visible particles are used, but a variety of light sources can be used for this purpose. Now we will discuss about the lighting requirement with fluorescent magnetic particle. These magnetic particles, when applied to the surfaces of the areas to be inspected, they become fluorescent, providing visibility into the tiniest of flaws such as cracks, breaks, and positioning changes. When fluorescent particles are used, special ultraviolet light must be used. Minimum black light level requirement with fluorescent particles. When conducting inspection with fluorescent magnetic particle, the UVA black light must be mercury vapor 100-watt minimum bulbs with minimum intensity at a distance of 15 inches of 1000 microwatts per centimeter square. For UV lights used in component evaluation, the normal accepted intensity is 1000 microwatt per centimeter square when measured at 15 inches from the filter face. Always allow sufficient time for the bulb to warm up so that it should be able to provide full intensity. Normal allowable time is 10 minutes. Also, it should be kept in mind that the black light shall operate only in the UVA part of the light spectrum so that our particles become fluorescent. In the given image, you can see that fluorescent particle inspection is being performed on a test piece. Here, the operator is directing the UVA light on the test part so that it becomes fluorescent and provide good indication of the flaws. Moving on, we will discuss about the other requirement for black light. Darkened examination area. A black light tent or a cape should be used to provide a darkened area for fluorescent particle inspection. Enclosures, hoods, and curtains are used to sufficiently darken the magnetic particle inspection area to required levels. It should be noted that the white light intensity in the viewing area shall not be more than 2-foot candles. Otherwise, it will interfere with the interpretation of the indication. 1 minute must be allowed for adaptation of eye to the darkened area. A person must wait at least 1 minute after entering a darkened area for their eyes to adjust to the low level lighting before performing fluorescent magnetic particle inspection. Alright, that was all about pre-cleaning process in MPT and lighting requirement for MPT. Hope you enjoyed the session. See you again in the next one.